So this is my 2003 Chevy Duramax LB7. This is the first startup of the day. Starts up pretty decently. It's about 50 degrees outside right now. Here in about 30 seconds it'll kind of start a funky idle. Usually blows out a little bit of white smoke, but it's not doing that right now. Fass fuel system right there. Usually takes about 30 to 40 seconds before it actually starts calming down. And this is what it does. You can see it surging there. And if I put it in reverse, or in gear, it pops back out of what it was doing. It's not missing or anything. Hope you guys have some ideas, because I'm kind of at a loss. It acts like it's sucking air through the fuel or something. It does blow out some more white smoke once it starts sputtering like that. Anything helps. It's actually running pretty decently right now. Usually it kind of does that.